This is the mystery log for Mrs. Webster. As you read, make sure that you highlight any of the sentences that could be used as evidence against this staff member. So anything that you see that's out of the ordinary, highlight it, make sure that you are aware of it so that when you get to the end, you can go ahead and fill out the information that's necessary. Starting with the background information. You are very well liked by all. Not only do the staff members like you, but they respect you. You are well connected, to say the least. Any one of the other suspects would have no problem having your back. You have been married to Mr. Webster for 20 amazing years, long enough to know when something is wrong with him, even if he doesn't tell you that something is bothering him. He has been off for a couple of weeks now, and you think that it is because he's hanging around different people lately. From what you know, these people are not the kind that you want as friends. You haven't gotten the chance to talk to Mr. Webster about it, but you know that Henry was planning on confronting Mr. Webster at this get-together. You were with Miss Mikuleski talking when the body was found. What other alibi do you need? However, would Miss Mikuleski, who loves and respects you, cover for you? Are you lying about not confronting Mr. Webster? Are you trying to cover for Mr. Webster? Make sure you guys go ahead and fill out this mystery log. You need to make sure you have reasons why you think this person is guilty, if any. And then what I want you to do over here is also keep a running list. It could be evidence that's against other characters, but copy and paste sentences that you could use to go along with those reasons that you find them guilty, or maybe put a reason why you think that somebody else might be guilty and the evidence that you need for that. So make sure you go ahead and fill that out, and along with writing a race paragraph, I want you to argue, do you think that she's guilty, why or why not? Now, this could change later as evidence unfolds, but as of right now, do we have enough evidence to say that she's guilty, or is there evidence that's pointing to her not being guilty?